Hello, welcome back, and in this video we're going to check the else if condition. In last video we checked only if and else. This time we are checking multiple condition. So let's get started. I already created one Java project, so I'm going to right click, new. I'm going to create a new class, and I'm going to give a name as else. You can give any name. I'm not writing down anything in the package. I'm going to leave it at default. Public static void, I'm going to check mark on that one because I need that one to run my code. So as you can see, I have a else, class name is else, and there's a main method. I'm going to create one method in it. So since I'm not returning, that's why I'm saying void, and say if else, and that's how you're going to create your method name. So I'm saying here now let's try with the string, right? Every time we check with the int, in this video we're going to check with the string. So I would say string name equal to abc. Okay, it's not should be here, it should be outside. Okay, so I declare string as a name, and I'm going to check the condition if name, and remember I talked about how we compare the string dot, and I say equals. And I'm going to say abc, and here are going to be curly braces, and system dot out dot println, and I'm going to say hello, you are first. Else if, now I'm going to check a second condition, and I would say name dot equals, and I'm going to specify xyz, and say you are second, and I would say else curly brace, and I'm going to specify here you are, I would say you are not in a race, you are not in a race. Okay, and we're going to create object. So what is my class name? It says else. Okay, so else e equal to new else e dot, what's my method name? If else, if else. Okay, and let's run it because I specified here name, right? So what does it mean? If it is ABC, yeah, if matched with ABC, it will display, it's supposed to display hello, you are the first. And let's run it. Hello, you are first. Now I'm going to change to the XYZ. So XYZ, I'm going to save it. I'm going to, okay, hello, you are second, and I'm going to write it down, anything else, and now it says, hey, you are not in the race. You are not in the race. So that's how we're going to do it, and we can go for like multiple else if. There is another way, and there is a switch statement. That's what also we're going to do in the next video. So hope you like this video, and if you like, please share, subscribe, and if you don't like it, you can dislike. So I hope you like this video, and we will see you next video. All right, thank you.